Have you ever wondered why some people earn a decent income but still struggle financially? Why does one person make $50,000 a year and build wealth, while another makes $100,000 and lives paycheck to paycheck? The answer isn't always income. It's habits. In fact, some of the most common money habits silently keep people broke for years without them even realizing it. Today, we're exposing the money habits that are draining your bank account and preventing you from building real wealth. Stay until the end, because habit number one is probably something you're doing right now. One of the fastest ways to stay broke is spending money to impress people who don't care. A new phone every year, designer clothes, luxury cars you can't afford, expensive dinners posted on social media. The truth is, wealthy people focus on assets. Poor people often focus on appearances. Every dollar spent trying to look rich is a dollar that could have been invested. Remember this: looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Many people know exactly how much they earn, but they have no idea where their money goes. They spend a little here, a little there, and at the end of the month, they're wondering why nothing is left. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on things that don't matter. Bad day at work, shopping, feeling stressed, order food, feeling bored, buy something online. This is called emotional spending, and it's one of the most dangerous financial habits. The problem isn't the purchase itself. The problem is using spending as therapy. The happiness lasts for a few hours. The financial consequences can last for years. Many people think wealth is lost through big purchases, but often it's the small expenses that do the damage. A daily coffee, subscription services you don't use, food delivery fees, impulse purchases. Individually, they seem harmless. Together, they can cost thousands of dollars every year. Small leaks sink big ships. Credit cards can be useful, but when they're used to fund a lifestyle you can't afford, they become a trap. Many people buy now and worry later, then later arrives with interest charges. Debt grows, stress increases, and financial freedom becomes harder to reach. If you're carrying credit card debt every month, you're paying extra for things you already bought. Some people save money, but they never invest it. They leave cash sitting in a bank account for years. The problem? Inflation slowly reduces its purchasing power. Money needs to work for you. The wealthy understand that investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about letting time and compound growth do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. Many people say, "I'll start saving when I earn more. I'll invest when the market is better. I'll focus on money next year." But next year becomes the year after that, and then another year passes. Success doesn't come from perfect timing. It comes from consistent action. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Schools teach many subjects, but most people never learn how money actually works. They don't understand investing, taxes, debt, assets, or financial planning. As a result, they spend years making costly mistakes. Financial education is one of the highest return investments you'll ever make. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. Imagine, your only source of income disappears tomorrow. What happens? For most people, financial stress begins immediately. That's why wealthy people build multiple income streams. Investments, businesses, side hustles, royalties. The goal isn't to work more forever. The goal is to create income that doesn't depend entirely on your time. Consumers spend money. Owners build assets. Consumers ask, "What can I buy?" Owners ask, "What can I own that produces income?" This mindset shift changes everything. Every wealthy person eventually learns that financial freedom comes from owning assets that generate money while they sleep. As income increases, expenses increase too. You get a raise. Instead of investing it, you upgrade your car, apartment, phone, and lifestyle. The result? You earn more, but feel no richer. Wealthy people increase their investments before increasing their lifestyle. If every raise leads to more spending, you'll stay on the same financial treadmill forever. Social media makes it look like everyone is winning. Luxury vacations, expensive cars, perfect lifestyles. What you don't see is the debt, stress, and financial struggles behind the scenes. Comparing your financial journey to someone else's is a losing game. Focus on your progress, not someone else's highlight reel. Everyone wants fast money. That's why scams and unrealistic opportunities spread so quickly. People lose thousands chasing shortcuts. The reality is simple. Most wealth is built slowly through discipline, patience, and consistency. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Many people delay important financial actions. They delay investing. They delay paying debt. They delay creating a budget. Every delay costs money. Time is one of the most powerful tools in wealth building. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Imagine driving without knowing your destination. That's how many people manage money. They have no savings target, no investment target, no retirement goal. Money grows best when it has a purpose. Clear goals create clear actions. Most people save what's left after spending. Unfortunately, there's usually nothing left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's remaining. This simple habit can completely transform your finances over time. Your environment affects your decisions. If everyone around you spends recklessly, you'll feel pressure to do the same. If your friends constantly encourage unnecessary spending, building wealth becomes harder. Choose people who inspire smart financial habits, not destructive ones. Many people think, if I made more money, all my problems would disappear. But countless high-income earners are deeply in debt. Income helps, but habits matter more. A person with strong financial habits can